Shako Mako everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're doing a review of the camera that's been the king for videos in the past 4 years. We're talking the Sony FX3. Stay tuned. To be honest, at first I thought, well, it's a camera that shoots 4K 120. I have a camera that shoots 8K, which is the Sony a7R5. So what this little guy can offer, the Sony a7R5 can't. Boy, I was really wrong, because this thing is not for everyone. I mean, if you're doing a YouTube videos, then this one an overkill for you. But if you're a movie maker, or do commercials, or your profession is videos, then this little thing is a weapon. It's really, really good. Especially when I took it out at night with a 12,800 native ISO, it's crystal clear in the darkest situations. Now that's something not any camera can do. So let me tell you what's the things that I really enjoyed about it. And you might too.
It has a dual memory card slot for SD card or CF Express A. It has a headphone jack and a mic in, a micro USB and a USB-C ports, and of course a full HDMI port. The screen is only flip screen, and it has a good amount of customizable buttons. It also have a 1/4-inch screw mount to mount all your accessories, and it's all over the body. And for the battery is the MP-FZ100, and to make sure it runs forever, it has a built-in fan. And now it's time for some footage.